The inheritance of a Muslim property owner will be distributed as per the Sharia law in Dubai. Let's understand the Sharia law. Under Sharia law, assets are distributed according to fixed shares among family members. Here's how it works. The wife of the deceased man inherits 1/8. The husband of the deceased woman receives 1/4 share if they have children, and in case there are no children, the husband gets half of the property. Sons receive twice the share of daughters, or in simpler words, you can say if a daughter gets 1 share, the son gets 2. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose the deceased has left a family that includes a wife, 2 sons and 3 daughters, and a property worth 2 million dirhams. The wife gets 1/8 of the share, that in this case would be 250,000 dirhams. The amount that remains to be distributed is 1.75 million. Each son will have 2 shares, so in this case a total of 4 shares for sons, and each daughter gets 1 share, so in this case a total of 3 shares for daughters. So the total number of shares in this case is 7. Now, the remaining amount is going to be divided by the total number of shares, that is 1.75 million divided by 7, and this equals 250,000 dirhams. This gives us the value of each share. So all 3 daughters are going to get 250,000 each, and 2 sons are going to get 2 shares each, which makes their share as 500,000 each. This was just a simple example to explain the law. However, various factors can come into play, such as the absence of children or a spouse or the presence of parents, and the list goes on. If you have any questions about your specific situations, feel free to DM me and I would be happy to help. Now, you may have a question in your mind. Can a Muslim prepare a will for his assets? The answer is yes, but he can only include 1/3 of his assets in the will. Thank you.